Looking for a quicker and more secure way to unlock your Samsung Galaxy A27? Follow along as I walk you through the complete fingerprint setup process so you can protect your phone and unlock it with a simple touch. The first step is to open the Settings app on your Samsung Galaxy A27. Scroll down and tap Lock Screen, then select Screen Lock and Biometrics. Before you can register a fingerprint, you'll need to verify your identity using your current PIN, pattern, or password. If you haven't created one yet, your phone will ask you to set it up first. This backup security method is required because you'll need it whenever your fingerprint isn't recognized or after restarting your device. Once you're in the biometrics menu, tap Fingerprints, then press Continue to move to the registration screen. Next, tap Register to begin adding your fingerprint. The Galaxy A27 uses the side-mounted fingerprint sensor, which is built into the power button on the right side of the phone. Now, gently place the finger you want to register on the power button. Don't keep your finger in exactly the same position every time. Instead, lift it slightly and touch the sensor again while changing the angle a little with each scan. This allows the phone to capture the center, edges, and different parts of your fingerprint, improving recognition accuracy. Continue following the on-screen prompts until the progress bar reaches 100%. When the scan is complete, tap Done to save your fingerprint. Check that the fingerprint unlock option is enabled, allowing you to unlock your device using your registered finger. If you'd like, you can also add another fingerprint, such as your opposite thumb or index finger, making it easier to unlock your phone no matter how you're holding it. To get the best performance, make sure your finger and the fingerprint sensor are clean and dry. If you ever experience recognition issues, you can return to the Fingerprints menu to delete and register your fingerprint again. With fingerprint lock enabled, your Samsung Galaxy A27 stays protected while giving you fast and convenient access every time you pick it up. That's all it takes to enable fingerprint lock on your Samsung Galaxy A27. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.